What's the meaning of acrylamide? Acrylamide. 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 Acrylamide is a chemical compound that forms naturally in some foods during high temperature cooking processes such as frying, baking, and roasting. It is formed when certain amino acids react with sugars under high heat conditions. Acrylamide has been classified as a probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, due to its potential role in causing cancer. Studies have shown that high levels of acrylamide consumption may increase the risk of developing certain types of cancers, including kidney, ovarian, and endometrial cancer. Therefore, it is recommended to reduce the intake of acrylamide-containing foods by adopting healthier cooking methods such as steaming or boiling.